Standing in my yard, looking out over the hill and into the palms, I see planes landing and taking off at random. Eventually, it got me thinking, is plane spotting film?
Is plane spotting film? That's a very interesting question. But before we dive any further, let's take a look at the definition of film.
Film, a form of entertainment that enacts a story by sound and a sequence of images giving the illusion of continuous movement.
In order for plane spotting to be considered film, you have to capture a moving image in real time.
If you're plane spotting for the sake of doing it, it's not film because you're not capturing any images. You may be capturing an image in your head, but not on your camera. Therefore, plane spotting for the sake of it is not film. Are you capturing an image? Yes. Is it a moving image? No. Therefore, taking pictures of airplanes is not film because you're not capturing a moving image. In order for plane spotting to be film, you need to capture a moving image in real time.
Is an image being recorded? Yes. Is it a moving image? Yes. Therefore, in this case, plane spotting is considered film because you're capturing a moving image in real time. I asked this same question on Instagram, and all who answered agreed with me because if you're recording an airplane as it lands, you're recording a moving image in real time. Therefore, if you're recording an airplane as it lands, plane spotting is considered film.
And it's never been easier to pursue because with today's technology, it's easy to make and edit videos and share them with the rest of the world.
And now let's answer our original question. Is plane spotting film? It depends. It depends on how you view the subject, it depends on how you view the definition, and it depends on what you're doing. If you're recording an airplane as it lands, as it taxis, or as it takes off, then plane spotting is considered film. If you're just taking pictures or plane spotting for the sake of it, plane spotting is not film.